Welcome back to Cooking with Mum. And today's recipe has been suggested by Mum because we were out and about, and she said, ki, when did you last have cheeni ka paratha? It's called cheeni means sugar. It's sugar paratha, and that is what we used to have. कब बनाते थे आप?
जब आप लोग छोटे थे तो आप लोग को खाना खाने का मन नहीं करता था तो चीनी का पराठा खाना.
So when we were little and we didn't feel like eating, she would entice us with a sugar paratha. And as the name suggests, it's a paratha with sugar inside it. And the taste of it, I can taste it. I haven't had it in not 20 years. I haven't had it in उसके भी पहले. India में भी नहीं खाया हुआ. So maybe I've not had it for like 25 years. I've not had it. And I'm so excited. Chale, banaye? Right, I'm going to go behind the camera. She's going to cook. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any recipes. God, you must know this by now. Right, chalo, banate. So exciting. So here is 150 grams of atta, chapati atta. You can make it. आप कभी मैदे की बनाते हो?
बन जाएगी पर हमने कभी बनाई नहीं है. बना सकते हो.
Okay, so if you want to use plain flour, you can make it. She's never made it because we always use chapati flour. So now all that's left to do is add water. Like every flatbread, we are just taking enough water so that we get a nice soft dough which is not sticky. If you want tips of how to get the perfect dough for any Indian flatbreads or chapati, then you can check out my masterclass of chapati where I share details of little things and how to get it right. So she's just putting little bits of water at a time. तो इसको रेस्ट करने को रखोगे ना 5 मिनट तो, है ना? So once it's done, going to cover and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. That's it. That's how quickly. कितनी बनेंगी इसमें? 4?
आराम से.
So we can make around 4 to 5 parathas in this much dough, which is 150 grams. It's been 10 minutes. The dough has rested. We just got the chakla belan out. You can just make it using the normal rolling pin. And obviously we need cheeni, which is sugar for the sugar paratha. So we're just using golden caster sugar and just heating up a pan for the paratha. So there it goes. Just a portion. Roll it in some flour and then roll it out. क्या 2-3 इंच बस है ना?
वो भरना है ना, उसके अंदर फिल करेंगे ना.
हाँ. That's it. Then just take some sugar. I can't believe we used to have it for lunch and dinner. Yeah. अच्छा बस 1 चम्मच.
हाँ.
Okay, so it's just one. Right. Roll it in flour. फटेगा नहीं? फटेगा नहीं. So I've just asked her if it'll burst open and she said no.
वहाँ पे जाके फट जाएगा चाहे.
So it might tear open on the pan, but not right now. So just roll it out using extra flour if needed. And then it goes on the hot pan. So you can see that's all the sugar. Oh, I'm so excited. So just turn this over. You can see the little spots. We're going to make one more. I have to say that I can't believe that this was the option given to us for our dinner if we didn't feel like eating anything else. This just drives me mad. Having kids now, I think this is the most ridiculous thing. Asking your child. It's basically giving your child biscuits to eat if they're not willing to have. Oh, it's puffed up. Let me show it to you. Look at how beautifully it is puffed up, and you can see where there are a couple of holes so the sugar is trying to seep out.
थोड़ा मीडियम.
Cook it on medium. तो क्या उसके अंदर आपको sugar melt करनी है ना, dissolve
अपने आप
करनी
हो जाती है.
हाँ वही तो. हाँ.
ये देखो ना, हो गई ना, हो रही है.
So basically the sugar starts to dissolve inside the paratha. What a treat. and we're cooking this in ghee. Oh my god. So you can see where the bits have come out of sugar. It's the where, you know, look, it's opened up. So that's it. Gonna get a plate to get this out. And obviously you can't eat it straight away because you will burn your mouth with the caramel inside. And here they are. Cheeni ka paratha. I'm gonna try in this one because it's been 2 minutes. And it's definitely time to eat this. Right, it's now cooled down. Tastes exactly the same. Oh, that is delicious. That is, पता है ये मिठाई के लिए पुडिंग समझ के खा सकते हैं.
हाँ, क्यों नहीं खा? पार्टी वाटी में 4-4 पीस करके ऐसे रख दो बना के.
My mom's saying make it for parties, make it and then slice it like pizza slices, है ना?
हाँ.
I don't know. Cake is cake. Cake के बदले who's gonna eat cheeni paratha instead of cake at a party?
केक अपनी जगह, चीनी पराठा अपनी जगह.
इसका अपना ही स्वाद है, एकदम ही delicious and it's a treat, but I can't tell you how it tastes. You'll have to try it yourself and let me know in the comments below. Is this something you ate, have ever eaten before? Let us know in the comments because we're going to read them and that'll be quite interesting to know. Till then, don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.
बाय. सो इजी, कितना इजी है बनाना. अभी तो
मम्मा बिल्कुल हेल्दी थोड़ी है.
हेल्दी नहीं है ना. हेल्दी
मतलब I know.
हेल्दी थोड़ी मैंने बोला.
But I know, but कैसे
चेंज के लिए.
बचपन में you would like feed कि अरे खाना नहीं खाना, चीनी पराठा खा लो. I know,
नहीं
but
करते
now
थे. वही तो कह रहे हैं. अभी मैंने तो बहुत ज़्यादा चीनी नहीं डाली ना. डालो तो बहुत चीनी डालो, फिर बहुत मीठा हो जाता है.
God.